Let's discuss about semi-supervised learning. What is semi-supervised learning? It is a type of machine learning algorithm that lies between supervised and unsupervised machine learning. It represents the intermediate ground between supervised, that is a learning machine language technique, which uses labeled training data, and unsupervised learning algorithms, that is, which uses the unlabeled training dataset and uses the combination of labeled and unlabeled datasets during the training period. Although semi supervised learning is the middle ground between supervised and unsupervised learning and operates on the data that consists of few labels. It mostly consists of unlabeled data. As labels are costly, but for corporate purposes, they may have few labels. It is completely different from supervised and unsupervised learning, as they are based on the presence and absence of labels. To overcome the drawbacks of supervised learning and unsupervised learning algorithms, the concept of semi supervised learning is introduced. The main aim of semi supervised learning is to effectively use all the available data rather than only a label data like in supervised learning. Initially, similar data is clustered along with an unsupervised learning algorithm, and further, it helps to label the unlabeled data into labeled data. It is because labeled data is a comparatively more expensive acquisition than unlabeled data. We can imagine these algorithms with an example. Supervised learning is where a student is under the supervision of an instructor at home and college. Further, if that student is self analyzing the same concept without any help from the instructor, it comes under unsupervised learning. Under semi supervised learning, the student has to revise himself after analyzing the same concept under the guidance of an instructor at college. Advantages and disadvantages of semi supervised learning. Here, I have given you the advantages. It is simple and easy to understand the algorithm, highly efficient, used to solve drawbacks of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. Iterations results may not be stable. We cannot apply these algorithms to network level data. The accuracy is low. Thus, we have come to the end of this session. So, semi supervised learning overcome the disadvantages of supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, though it suffers from the accuracy and these algorithms. cannot be applied to network level data, and the iteration results may not be stable. But it can be used effectively in many real world applications. That's all for today's session, and let us discuss another topic on machine learning in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.